Most people think luxury bathrooms need space, but some of the most elegant bathrooms in the world are actually very small. In today's video, you'll see over 50 new luxury small bathroom designs, spaces that feel calm, timeless, and expensive, even with just a few square meters. Stay until the end, because you'll start noticing the quiet design details that instantly elevate any small bathroom, without over-decorating or chasing trends. These are not loud interiors, not showy renovations. This collection focuses on timeless materials, soft light, thoughtful layouts, and elegant restraint. The kind of bathrooms that feel beautiful 10 years from now, not just today. If your bathroom is small, this video is for you. Let's take a closer look. 1. Smart space. Use. Notice how every centimeter is used with intention. Wall-mounted toilets, floating vanities, built-in niches, and floor-to-ceiling mirrors quietly open up the space, visually and emotionally. Nothing feels crowded. Nothing feels accidental. That's the difference between small and well-designed. 2. Timeless color and materials. You'll see a calm, neutral palette throughout this collection. Soft whites, warm beiges, gentle grays, paired with natural marble, warm wood textures, and subtle stone finishes. These bathrooms feel grounded and elegant, never cold. Brass and soft gold accents add warmth and a quiet sense of luxury without overpowering the space. 3. Dark and moody moments. Some designs introduce darker tones, deep charcoal, muted green, or warm stone shades. In small bathrooms, these colors don't shrink the space, they soften it. Dark accents create depth, intimacy, and that boutique hotel feeling designers love, especially in guest bathrooms and powder rooms. 4. Texture and tile details. Look closely at the surfaces. Hexagon tiles, refined mosaics, large format stone look porcelain. These choices reduce visual noise and increase sophistication. The goal isn't decoration, it's visual continuity. That's what makes a small bathroom feel composed and expensive. 5. Lighting as luxury lighting changes everything. Layered lighting, ceiling light, mirror illumination, soft wall sconces creates a flattering, calming atmosphere at any time of day. This is where a bathroom stops feeling functional and starts feeling personal. 6. Storage and clean lines. Floating vanities and hidden storage keep the floor visible and the space breathable. The room feels lighter. Cleaning feels easier. The design feels intentional. Luxury often shows up in what you don't see. 7. Small accents, big impact. A single plant, soft towels in a harmonious tone, minimal accessories placed with care. These small details turn a bathroom into a quiet spa without clutter or excess. What all these bathrooms have in common is not size, budget, or trends. It's balance, calm, and thoughtful design. When a space feels considered, it naturally feels luxurious. I hope this collection inspired you to see small bathrooms differently. If one of these designs stayed with you, let me know in the comments. And if you enjoy calm, elegant interior inspiration, feel free to subscribe for more. Thank you for being here. See you in the next video.